Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question, that is display the longest name. And if you want, I will paste the link in the description box also. So you can find this question in the practice problem of Geeks for Geeks website. And here you can see that this is very easy question, but still more than 35% of people are doing it wrong. So we will see in very beginner friendly manner. So first we will understand the question, and then we will think the way of approach, that what should we do to resolve these issues, and then we will see it in code. So right now, if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and do share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. First, understand the question. Here, the question is pretty simple, that we have to display the longest name. The array is given to us. The size of the array is 5. So this is the first element. This is the second one. This is the third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So the size is given to us of an array, that is 5. The array is already provided to us. Now we have to select the longest word, that longest element that is inside this array. So actually, what should I hope you understand the question till here. So what should be the way of approach? So if you think, the what should the first thing that we are going to do? First we will make a variable. Why we will make a variable? So that we can store the result. We can store the result that we will get. We will store it. So first step, make a variable. Right. Now the second step will be, we will traverse our array. See, in lots of video I says that array is type of a box. So if you want to access the element inside the array, so you have to open that box. So for opening, we use to traverse the array for accessing the element by using for loop. So my second will be step will be, we will traverse. Now what we are going to do is, we will compare the elements with the previous one. If it is greater than the previous one, then store it in our newly made variable. So and we will at last return our variable. So as simple as that. So first thing first, here if you look, uh, just see this question, our constraint will be complexity should be O of n, and space complexity should be O of 1. So let's start. Here I'm going to solve this in Java language, and if you want, you can switch it to another language also from the window over here. Just click on this box and select whatever language you are comfortable with. So let's start. Here first thing, look at the class diagram. Here this is my class keyword, this is my class name, and this is returning me string. Right here, just see the output, it is also a string in nature. And now it is taking two arguments. First one is our array, and first one, our array is given here, and also the size of array is given here, right? So let's make a variable so that we can store our output. What data type should be? It also should be string in nature. So string new variable, okay, new, let's see, result, let's name it result. Okay, now we already made a variable. Now what we are going to do is, we will iterate our for loop. So for how to what is the structure of for loop? This is the bare and bone of for loop. Now we are going to fill it up. First initialization, we initialize I is equal to 0. Then the condition I should be less than n, right? And then incrementation or decrementation here. Now till this much I hope you understand. Now what we are going to do is, we will compare this, and for comparing we will use if else. If the condition is this, do this. If the condition is not, then else. So if my array, not actually name, the name of the array is name itself. So if my array of I dot length, we are using dot length function, right? dot length is greater than our result dot length, then what we will do, we will store it in our result, right? Like this. Yes, s is missing, otherwise it will give me an error. So I hope you understand till here. This line actually pretty important in this question. So if my array of index I dot length, I'm using dot length function so that I can count the length. Okay, if I count the length, if it is greater than our newly made variable result dot length, then we will store it in result, right? Whatever the index value present in that index, we will store it in our result, and at last what we are going to do is we will return our result. We will come outside the for loop and then return result. So why I'm not going to returning anything, because this is just if else condition, it is not returning me. And what is the use of for loop? This the use of for loop is only we have to traverse the array, access the elements of array. That is just the use of for loop. So the return statement should be here. Just click here, the bracket end here. So you will give return statement here. Now let's do compile and run. Let's hope there is no compilation error in it. Okay, the compilation completed. I hope you understand this question. Now I'm going to submit it. Let's see how many test cases is getting passed. Right, 3 out of 3 test cases is getting passed and the number of attempt is 1. So this is a actually pretty simple question, and by solving these type of question your concept will be clear. Your way of approach, how to build the logic, these are all the things that will be clear if you solve these type of question. What to do, when, why we are doing this. Just do error, just make mistake and rectify it. Okay, then we will be improve our skill, we will skill up in whatever language you are comfortable. So I hope you like this video and all my previous video. If you like, just hit the like and subscribe button. Let's meet in another video, guys. Bye bye.